Hey everyone, this is Sean and we're about to test out the Cellhelmet scratch remover and polish here. So essentially this is what it does. It'll eliminate fine lines and help on more deep ones. We have an iPhone 10 here with a number of scratches. As you can see, there's some deep scratches right there in the middle. Some other scratches over here. So we're going to treat this with this scratch remover and we'll see what we end up with. So the first thing we have here is the wooden stick. And what we'll do is we'll put this felt on the wooden stick, and then there's a rubber band that goes around that, and we'll do that on both the two wooden sticks that come with this. So we'll go ahead and do that. So put the yellow stuff on there and do it both parallel and perpendicular. We have a number of scratches here, so we're going to do that, and it says to make sure you're doing it medium pressure but with a good amount of speed and vigor. And it says to do it for about 4 minutes. So we're going to save you the details and not record the 4 minutes of it. But going parallel and perpendicular. So after doing this a couple times, I'd say the jury's out. I don't know that it's, I mean, these were some deep scratches, but I don't feel like it really necessarily took much out. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think.